In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate the Shopee platform and make a purchase using your credit or debit card with ease. Shopee, as many of you may know, is one of the leading e-commerce platforms that offers a wide array of products, from electronics to fashion, home essentials, and much more. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the world of e-commerce, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth shopping experience. First, let's start by heading over to the Shopee website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser. Once there, simply type Shopee into the search bar and hit enter, or directly enter the Shopee URL if you have it handy. Upon landing on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see various categories displayed on the home page, as well as popular deals and featured products. If you know what you're looking for, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific items. Now that you're on the Shopee platform, it's time to browse and select a product that interests you. Take your time to explore the different categories or use the search feature to narrow down your options. When you find something that catches your eye, click on the product to view more details. Here you'll see information such as product specifications, customer reviews, and seller ratings. This information can be incredibly helpful in ensuring that you make a well-informed purchase. Once you've decided on a product, it's time to initiate the checkout process. Click on the Buy Now button if you're ready to make a purchase, or Add to Cart if you plan to continue shopping and check out multiple items simultaneously. Either option will take you to the cart page. When you're ready to proceed, click Checkout to move to the next step. Now let's focus on selecting your payment method. On the checkout page, you'll see various payment options. Here, you want to choose credit debit card as your payment method. Shopee makes it easy to pay with credit or debit cards, offering a seamless transaction process. You'll be prompted to input your card details. Make sure to enter all the required information accurately, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. It's essential to double-check these details to avoid any errors during the payment process. After entering your payment information, review your order details to ensure everything is correct, including the shipping address and the items in your cart. Once you're satisfied, click the Place Order button to finalize your purchase. Shopee will process your payment, and you'll receive a confirmation email with the details of your order. And there you have it, you're done. You've successfully navigated Shopee to select and purchase an item using a credit or debit card. Enjoy your shopping experience and feel free to explore Shopee further for more exciting deals and products in the future.